Hola amigos y bienvenidos a mi canal. Hello friends and welcome to my channel. It is Princess Loot Raider here. Alright, so today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my grandma's farm. To start it off, this is Gage. He's special. Come here, Gagey. Come. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. I don't know what he's doing right now, so I'm gonna leave him alone. This is Snurdly. Snurdly. Shh. Snurdly. Come here. Ooh, she's one of my favorite animals. I'm just gonna set this down really quick. Sorry. Come here, Snurdly. Mwah. I love Snurdly so much. Alright. There we go. Alright. So, let's head on down. Oh, it is really hot out here. That's Bandy. She's the puppy right there. Oh, bless you, Fievel. Alright, this is Bandy. I love Bandy. She's special as well. There's a fly on your nose, honey. Look at her. She's so cute. She's so fluffy. Oh, hello, Bandy. Hello, Bandy. It's good to see you, too. Good to see you, too. Hello. Bye. Alright, bye, Bandy. Alright, we are going to see Fievel. But I like to call him Five Guys. Or Five's Knives. Or Fnives. I have a lot of nicknames for him. And Gage's Being. This is Fievel. And the chickens. He loves the chickens. And I love Fievel. I love his little beard. Look at his little beard. Oh, and his horns, apparently. Come here. He's like a dog. Come here. I love his beard. Ah! Oh, hello, Fievel. Hi. Ah! You can't do that. That hurts. Alright. Let's head on to the other stuff, because there's a lot. Ow. Alright, let's head to the ones that I'm going to show you first, which made absolutely no sense. Look at the beautiful grass. And a tree. Oh my gosh. They're staring at me. And there they are. Oh my goodness, they're so loud. Find the odd one out. Found him. I told you, he's special. Dun 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 dun. Careful, Fievel. I mean, oh my gosh, Gage. Oh my gosh. Dun 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 dun. Alright. These are the chickens. I like to call her Stella. That striped one. Jesus. My goodness. Alright. Excuse you. Oh my gosh, your face is covered in mud. I just want to see you roll around in the mud. Can you roll around in the... Jeez, that's a lot of mosquitoes. Oh my goodness. Shut up! Alright, and I saved the best for last. There are 2 more bunnies in there, but I don't want to go in there and disturb them. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Yeah, there are 5 little bunnies in here. Gage, get off of the bunny cage. Thank you. The bunnies are my personal favorite because I just love bunnies. They're really cute. See, this is my favorite bunny. That gray one. The gray nose, the gray ears. They really don't like to be picked up because they just don't. So, come here. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to pick them up. Alright. We can look at the bunnies really quick. I need this. Alrighty. Gage, be careful. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh, don't worry, honey. Don't worry. Ah! Stop, Gage. Alright. So I'm gonna sit down here. Hi. Oh my gosh, the puppies love to be on camera. Gage doesn't really like, Bandy doesn't really like Gage. Bandy, no, no. Gage just wants to play. Gage is a puppy. He doesn't get to play with other puppies. Unless it's his sister. It stinks so bad. Ew, Bandy, what have you been laying in? Ew, Bandy, no, no. She just laid directly on me. My goodness, this probably wasn't the best place to do this. So I'm actually going to head to the front porch. Ah, there's bugs all over me. Yeah, that was not a very good place to do that. I am not smart. I'm sure the rabbit's like, what the freak are you doing? Alright. Thirdly. Here, baby. Next to a rocking chair. Ooh, jeez. Snurdly. Snurdly actually doesn't mind this rabbit very much. Gage, be careful. They're bonding. Or Snurdly's just trying to hunt the rabbit. There's a dead bird over there. And up there somewhere. But yeah, she's okay. So the rabbit is actually really far away, except the camera makes it look like really up close. Like, look at his veins. Poor thing. Oh, trying to bond with the rabbit, Gage. Ah, really? Alright guys, but I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. So I really do hope you enjoyed. Gage is enjoying the bunny. Hi, Gage. Alright, yeah, Snurdly. You're so cute and weird at the same time. Snurdly is actually farther away from the camera than it looks. But yeah, I think that's gonna be about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully this is getting the bunny in the shot. If it isn't, then I'm sorry. Ew, there's rabbit fur all over me. Alright, Gage. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Your breath stinks. Okay. I hope you enjoy. Oh, Gage, be careful. I hope you enjoyed. Let me try this for like the 5th time. Please. Alright, but I hope you enjoyed this. Aww, hello, honey. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the. I don't even know if it's facing the rabbit. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like the video. And, And if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe. Like, seriously. Even though this is like the first video on my channel. And, ow, Gage, you stink. And stop trying to eat the rabbit's ear. Okay. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe, and yeah. Oh, look at his fuzzy tail. I'll see you next time. Adios, amigos. Tenenum buena. Bye, friends. Have a nice day. Okay, sorry. I wasn't facing the end button, so bye, friends. Have a nice day.